Hello there and welcome. It's going to be exciting tonight. This is MX24. My name is Godwin Nambo. As you can see on our set, love is in the air. This plane is about to take off. Brace yourselves because tonight, one fine gentleman and one fine lady gets to walk away with the love of their lives. Or maybe not. But we're going to find out shortly. Remember, some few weeks ago, MX24 asked you to send in your details. As we entered February, we asked you to send your details to us and also 3 things you'd like in an ideal date. And finally, here we are. We had about hundreds of entries coming in, and then now we have our gentleman, we have our lady. We've also shortlisted 4 ladies and 4 guys. So this is how it's going to work. Now, one gentleman gets to pick out of 4 ladies, while the lady gets to pick out 4 gentlemen. So the feminists will not come for me. They don't come for me. So this is Love Nest, as we like to call it. It's on MX24. This is proudly sponsored by Accra City Hotel, where our lovebirds are going to have their actual date. So Accra City Hotel, thank you so much for sponsoring this program. Also, the Cocoa Processing Company, thank you so much. When we return from our break, we'll introduce our gentleman. And welcome back. You're watching MX24. This is Love Nest because love is in the air. Tonight, one gentleman and one lady gets to find love right here on MX24. Proudly sponsored by the Accra City Hotel and Cocoa Processing Company. Now, Accra City Hotel is offering 2 dates, the time of their lives, and they're going to have so much fun. Also, Cocoa Processing Company will be giving away some free hampers too. Our participants. So I'm ready. If you're ready, let's get into it. I have a very fine young man on set. He's taking all the shine by Adobo. And I'm glad to announce that we have Salim on set with us. Salim.
Hello.
Good evening. How are you doing?
Good evening. Fine, thank you.
Looking fly.
Thank you.
Did you intentionally wear white and black? Like you saw that?
Yeah, I wanted to match out. Yeah, I wanted to be like you. I want to look like
See this guy, Charlie. Hope everything is well.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Right. So Salim, you're here to find love.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Before you tell us, anything else, first of all, how long have you been single?
About a year.
A year?
Yeah.
Is that enough for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
What if your ex wants to come back?
Like I'll be here. Like I'll already be here.
Oh, you don't think she wants to come back?
Nah.
Are you sure?
What about, let's say, I don't want to go back.
Oh, you don't want to go back. But there's something about exes, and just when you've, made up your mind and you want to move on, that's when they step in, though.
But, it's been a year, so.
We've not seen something. Anyways, but we're glad to have you.
Thank you.
And we'll be speaking with the ladies shortly. But you look like you'll be a Manchester fan too.
Manchester, but Manchester City.
Oh, I see. Nice one. Nice one. And what is your idea of an ideal date?
Ideal date. Let's say nice time, go somewhere with the one you love, then have dinner. Maybe some candles or something.
You didn't like candles?
Yeah,
Hey, hard guy.
But dates.
Candles and
things.
things.
Yeah.
So, where like this would you like to go? Like an ideal date? Where do you, on a boat? Somewhere on the mountains? Where do you have in mind?
Paris.
Where?
Paris.
Paris?
Yeah.
Whisker?
Yeah. One day it's
Nice.
Yeah.
And what's your idea? What do you make of kissing on a first date?
I think it's normal now.
It's normal now.
Yeah.
Would you kiss on a first date?
It depends.
On what?
On the mood. It depends on the mood.
Mood?
Yeah, it depends on the mood.
Right, so let me announce that we have all 4 ladies joining us on Zoom, ready to speak with their potential dates on February 14. And we have on Zoom Edusei, Safwa, Nanama, and Lina. Good evening, ladies.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Wonderful.
Good evening.
Now, I'd like you guys to know that the gentleman you might be going out with is a very fine gentleman. I'll give you a hint. He's fair, has plenty beard, well trimmed. Charlie is a cool guy. He's a fine guy. So, are you guys ready to answer his questions?
Yes, we are.
All right, so he's going to ask you 4 questions, and all of you will take turns to answer them. So we'll start, of course, with Edusei, then Safwa, you'll answer the same question, Nanama, you two, and then Lina, in that order.
Sure.
All right, Salim, so over to you, your ladies.
All right, hi guys. I mean, hi girls.
Hello.
And before we start, could you like tell me a bit about yourselves? Like, in like just 15 seconds. Yeah?
Yes.
Just 15 seconds.
Briefly tell us about yourselves.
Start
Edusa,
off
yes,
with
we're
Monique.
starting with
Hi.
Edusa, of course. Yeah.
Oh, okay. My name is Monique Selassie Edusei. A Central University student. Yes, and then I live in Accra. So that's all.
Right. Nice. Safwa.
Okay. Okay, so my name is Safwa Harvey, 22, a student of University of Ghana, studying accounting. I'm short, dark, and what else?
She
Yeah,
said she-
basically, that's it. That's it.
okay, so she's short and dark. She had to add that.
Yeah.
Right. So we have Central University. We have Legon in the house. Okay, Nanama, your turn.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Rachel Nanama Kuto. I'm 22 years old. Currently working with Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College. I love cooking, I love reading, I love music.
Nice.
Yeah, that's all.
Right. Lena?
Hi, my name is Michaelina Edwina Moses, a student of Central University, studying accounting. I'm a fancy and I love singing a lot. So yeah, that's me.
So there you go, Salim. You've met your four ladies.
My next question, right?
Yes.
Do you guys have any talents? Any talents? Starting from Monique, yeah? Monique.
Yeah, I like drawing and then I love creating content.
Safwa, any special talent?
I'm a very versatile person, so I'll say I'm fun. So I can do a bit of so many things. When it comes to playing games, dance,
She can do a bit of everything. Jack of all
Everything.
trades. Mm,
That means a lot.
I tell you. But only you know what it means. Okay, Nanama, you?
Yeah, what I love doing most is cooking and making sure those around me are happy all the time.
Lena, finally, you. Any special talent?
Okay, so I have a lot of talent, but I think I can really sing. So yeah,
Sing.
that's my special talent. Yes.
You better sing. Do you want to give us a line? Just one line. One line of your
Just one,
favorite
just
music.
one.
Want
Just
to
one.
hear me sing?
Yeah,
Sorry.
just one.
Sorry?
Come again. You want to hear me sing?
Yes,
Yeah,
one
yeah.
line. One line of your favorite song.
Okay. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever.
Bruv. You've got yourself a singer.
A good singer.
Nice one, Lena. Nice one. Interesting. I don't want to be in your shoes right now, Charlie. Your next question. We have two more questions for you, ladies.
Two more questions.
Yes, two more questions.
Monique, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
It's kind of complicated for me because I don't really know where I belong.
What she say? She doesn't know where she belongs.
You don't know where you belong?
Yeah, because I'm a bit complicated.
You're complicated. Safwa,
Safwa.
Hi.
are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
Extrovert.
Yeah, that's what I am.
Okay. Nanama,
Hello,
are you an
an
introvert or extrovert?
extrovert.
Oh, she's an extrovert.
extrovert.
Right.
Yeah.
Lena, your turn.
Hello?
Yeah, your turn. Are you an
An
introvert?
extrovert.
You're an
Yeah.
extrovert.
No, extrovert. Yes.
Oh, okay. So you're sociable, right?
Very.
Very.
Quite.
Right. Your last question.
Last question. My last question. Last question.
I don't know what you will be.
Wow. The last question. Are you looking for love? Obviously, you're looking for love, but are you looking for something serious or something for the meantime? Monique,
Wow, let's go. Well, I'm looking for love, but at the same time, I want something fun.
what about Safwa?
I don't think if you are not looking for love, you should be here. So yes, I'm looking for love.
Shade,
I want to have fun.
shade,
I want to explore.
shade.
Nama,
Hi.
what about you?
Yeah, love. And in a flexible relationship where we can open up to each other. You'll be my friend, my best friend, and also my partner. Everything in one.
Okay.
I really don't want to be in your shoes.
What about Lena?
Yeah, I'm looking for love. I think when you find love, everything falls in place. So, yep.
What about those in relationship that cheat? Is it that they're not in love anymore?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Because I don't know how you're in love with someone and then cheat on the person. It's wrong. We are not in love. If you're in love, we don't cheat.
Interesting. Are you okay with everything they've said?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah.
Yes, what is your impression of each of them?
Each.
Yes. You had Monique talk, you had Safwa talk, you had Lena, you had Anama. What do you make of
Okay,
each
yeah.
of them from what you've heard so far?
Monique is a free person.
Free spirit.
Yeah, she doesn't like commitments, from what she said.
Mm-hmm.
And Safwa she's okay. She's looking for love. She's a fun person too. And Lena, she can sing. That's very good.
That's
That's
what
a
you
plus.
like.
Yeah, she
Okay.
can sing. And Anama doesn't like bad energy. She likes positive vibes. She doesn't like boring people, I think. Yeah, so. Yeah, they're all cool. They're all cool people.
So there we have it. Salim, you have made your impression of these girls. Now it's time to choose. Moment of truth. Which of these ladies would you like to have that nice time with at the Accra City Hotel? Amid some chocolates and candles, like you said.
Yeah.
Good food. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Are you certain?
Yeah, I'm set.
You're sure?
I'm going with Lena.
Right, so Salim has made his choice. He's going with Lena, the singer, and the cook. Lena, how do you feel about this?
At the moment, I'm really shocked and then I'm out of words. I don't know what to say because
You're
I wasn't
shocked.
expecting it though.
You weren't expecting it.
But I'm happy.
Well-
No, I wasn't.
But what do you think made him choose you?
Come again?
What do you think made him choose you?
I don't know if it was the singing because I think that's all.
I said the same thing. Anyways, well, Lena, hold on for us. Now, when we return from the break, we'll review all those other ladies Salim didn't choose. Hopefully, he doesn't regret it. We'll be back. Welcome back to MX24's Love Nest, where we are sharing love. We're also streaming on our social media platforms at MX24GH. Salim is with us here in the studio. Before the break, he got to choose that beautiful lady he gets to go on a date with, on a blind date, let me specify that. Kind courtesy Accra City Hotel and Cocoa Processing Company. So, back to you, Salim. 3 wonderful girls that you did not choose. It's about time to reveal them to you. Are you feeling some way already?
Nah,
You sure?
Yeah.
You're setting off your pick?
I'm certain.
All right, so let's reveal the ladies to you. First of all, of course, let's see Safwa. Safwa, can we see you? There she is. Bang. Hi, Safwa. And we say, Monique, show us yourself. Nanama, also reveal yourself. There's Monique Selassie.
Hi.
Nana, can we see you? Hello, Nana.
Nanama.
Nana is the cook. Yes, can we see you now? We want to see
She's
you.
the cook.
Yeah.
Okay.
There she is. Okay. Right. Salim. So those are the three beautiful ladies you spoke with. Is this did you in any way picture them whilst you were talking to them? Did
Nah,
you didn't?
nah.
Nice. So is there anybody in here that you'd have loved to pick at first sight, if you could?
I don't think I'd like to say it. I don't think
Right.
so. Yeah.
But Safa, how do you feel?
Okay.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yes. Salim chose Lena. How do you feel about that?
I thought I was going to be picked, but
He actually
Can't I get two?
he wants to add you to his blind date. Look at him. And he said it off air that he was thinking between you and Lena. But Monique, how do you feel?
I can't hear you.
Now, I'm asking Monique now how she feels about it.
Okay.
Say that again, Monique.
It's a bit disappointing.
A little bit disappointed. Is it because you say you're a free person, so you'd have loved him to come along and just, you guys had fun?
Oh, not really.
Right. Nanama. Everybody in the studio knew. Everybody in the studio knows that I knew I was rooting for you, but Salim had a different agenda. How do you feel?
I'm okay. I'm actually okay.
Okay. So the ladies are okay. Salim, any last words to these ladies?
Please don't feel sad or anything, but I had to make a choice.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. So that's it. Before the dates, any expectations?
Nah, I just want to go with the flow.
You want to go with the
Go
flow?
with the flow.
I want to say something, but I can't say it on TV. Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. So you get a special treat from Accra City Hotel, and then you get alongside Cocoa Processing Companies giving you so many hampers. Also, you get to be groomed by Sena's Beauty Parlor. All right, you've trimmed your beard nicely, but if you want a little dye, we'll give it to you.
Okay.
And then we're also sponsored by Doughman. You get some donuts with you and your potential girlfriend. I look forward to what will come out of that date. Well, thank you very much, Salim. This is MX24's Love Nest. When we come back from this break, I have my beautiful lady in the studio with me. Stay with us. And welcome back. If you're just tuning in, you're watching MX24's Love Nest. You're in the right place. It's the month of love, and we are celebrating love. Before the break, Salim found himself a very young, beautiful damsel he'll be having a treat with. Kind courtesy, Accra City Hotel, also Cocoa Processing Company, Doughman Foods, Papa's Pizza, and Senam's Beauty Parlor. At this point, I have the beautiful young lady in the studio who will also be walking away, perhaps with the love of her life. She gets to choose between 4 gentlemen who she's going to go on a blind date with. And let me introduce the very beautiful Mimi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. I like the wine.
Thank
You
you.
look like you're ready.
Well, I need someone to get ready with, so
She's got vibes. Vibes. Right. And I'm so certain these guys are also ready. So without much ado, no, before we talk to them,
okay.
what was your last relationship? Have you ever been in a relationship?
Yeah, I've been in a relationship. My last relationship ended 6 months ago.
6 months ago. Salim's was 1 year and I thought it was short. And you're already moving on?
Oh yeah, no time to waste.
So I asked him something. So what if he calls you and he says he wants to come back?
No.
You're not going to take him back?
Excuse me to say, but you don't spit and take it back, so.
Wow. What is your idea of an ideal date?
An ideal date.
Romantic date.
I would like a classy, quiet setting.
Quiet setting.
Yeah.
With nobody around?
No, nobody around. Just the two of us. Anywhere is cool with me.
Nice. And would you kiss on a first date? Lady, your pastor is watching. I am so sure.
It depends on the vibe. If it's what I'm expecting, and well, yeah, maybe.
Would you like anything posh or something simple?
No, something simple is fine with me.
Easy.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we have Donald, we have Asamoah, then we have Jesse, we have Leslie, and we have Anthony Julius. Wow. Gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
I am certain you can see the beautiful lady in the studio. Can you see our lady in the studio?
Yeah, she's very gorgeous.
I was telling her that I feel sorry for who will not get chosen tonight. Anyways, so briefly, tell us about yourselves. Starting with Donald.
I'm Donald, and I'm a student in the University of Ghana, level 400, studying Infotech. I'm 20 years, and I'm single too. So.
Okay. Did you get all that?
Yeah, I did.
Leslie.
Yeah, I'm here.
Awesome, Leslie. Mimi is waiting to hear a little about you.
Okay, so I'm Leslie Kujo. I study computer science at Ashesi University. I spend my time reading and watching movies, develop my skills in web development as a full stack web developer.
Okay.
Great. She says, okay. Right, Leslie, thank you. Also, Anthony Julius.
I'm Anthony Julius, a student of the University of Ghana. I spend my time reading a lot on just every subject because all the time I want to be able to make contributions to whatever conversations will come up, especially if I'm having that conversation with a special someone, so that it can be fun and the conversation can keep going. It shouldn't be the case that she speaks and I don't have anything to contribute to it. Yeah, so that's me.
Very interesting indeed. So now it's about time you get to ask these gentlemen some questions. And Donald, Leslie, Anthony, and Jesse are all ready to hear you out. Now remember that every question you ask, they all take turns to answer. So who do we start with? Donald?
Yeah, Donald. Then
All right.
Leslie, then Anthony, then Jesse.
Beautiful. So your very first question.
Okay, I would like them to describe themselves physically.
Physically?
Yes.
Very first question. Donald, describe yourself physically.
Physically,
Also physically. Yes. Yes, boss.
Oh, nothing extreme, like your height, your complexion. Yeah, basically.
okay, I'm 5'10",
Okay.
and I'm not big. I'm not big or slim either. I
Okay.
just like honey hole.
Okay.
So I'm a footballer, so I have those tender muscles. So
Gee, okay. Okay.
kind of built.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm hairy.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Leslie.
Yeah, I'm hairy.
Thank you, Donald. Leslie, your turn.
Okay, so I'm fair. I have brown eyes.
Leslie, please hold on and try to reposition yourself for us so we can hear you clearly, because we are beginning to hear Chris Brown descriptions. Fair and brown eyes, if I'm sure that's what you're saying. But Anthony. Hello, Anthony.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm Rio.
Anthony. Mimi would like to know what you look like.
Yeah. Should I say I'm tall? Yeah. I think 5'8" is tall. Fair complexion, brown eyes. Yeah. I'm hairy. Everywhere else except my face, not very hairy. Yeah.
Okay.
So physique wise, that's it. I'm not big, but I'm not small either. So
Okay.
somewhere
Alright.
in the middle.
Okay.
Interesting. Somewhere in the middle. Jesse Yeboah.
5'9". That is a little tall. I am hairy, as in I have a beard. I'm dark. Yeah. So that's basically it.
Leslie, so your turn.
Yeah, so I am fair in complexion. I'm taller than the average person. I have brown eyes.
Next question.
All right. My next question is, what's your ideal lady?
What is your ideal lady?
Yes.
Who's going first?
Anthony.
Anthony, what is your ideal lady?
My ideal lady should be very intelligent,
Okay.
very independent thinking, must be very focused and have plans I can contribute to, and must always be motivating so that we can both commit to a common cause and grow together. Yeah, that's my ideal.
Jesse, what is your ideal lady?
My ideal lady. That's an interesting question. My ideal lady is someone who is ambitious, someone who is fun to talk to, someone who is really cool, someone who I can go out with, and the person will bring ideas, and I can also pitch in some ideas, and we actually have fun like the day, and the fun never stops actually. Someone who is also intelligent, because I know sometimes I need help in stuff that I don't know. So I want someone who is willing to teach too.
Okay.
And not quick-tempered. Yeah, so that's basically my ideal lady.
All right. Donald.
So my ideal lady is someone I find very interesting, someone who can relate to me on an intellectual level, someone I find very attractive, someone who's able to accept me for my flaws and differences. Oh, and someone who has big breasts.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I'd like to call for a commercial break, but I can't because he has spoken the mind of many young men out there. The mind of many young men out there. Any comment? Any comment on that?
I reserve my comment.
You reserve your comment?
Yeah.
Leslie.
My ideal lady would be someone who is fun, someone who is interesting, someone who we can get that vibe, get that primal attraction on the first sight. And we can learn from each other as time goes on.
Okay.
The third question.
I would like to know where you see yourself in the next 4 years.
In the next 4 years, I see myself alongside Rashford and Martial and many others.
Did you say Rashford?
Oh yeah, Rashford.
I think he's talking about footballers. So let's move on to Anthony.
All right. In the next 4 years, I see myself getting grounded as a corporate lawyer. I see myself getting better along with my would-be wife, and I'm sure on a sunny day like this, I see myself in the Maldives having a nice time with her.
Jesse.
Thank you.
Jesse, some competition you guys have there. Wow.
In the next 4 years.
Yeah.
In the next 4 years, I see myself surrounded with friends who have also accomplished a lot or are also on the road to accomplishing a lot. We'll all be moving towards success. Like I really like to move with my friends, not just alone. So I see myself in exactly the next 4 years. I'll be working alongside with my friends and we'll be making something big for the next 10 years.
Okay. Jesse, do you have a best friend?
Do I have a best friend? I have best friends actually. 4. 4, sorry. 4 best
Okay.
friends.
Is there any female included?
Female. We don't call her a best friend, call her a squad adjacent.
Okay, sure. All right. Thank you. Leslie.
In the next 4 years, I see myself as a full stack web developer, working on my own, self-employed, while still having some sort of organization backing me up financially.
I think he says he sees himself as an independent web developer, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so you have yourself a footballer, a lawyer in the making, someone who will move with his successful friends, and then a successful web developer. Fourth question.
Okay, so I'm dating you, and provided I cheat on you by mistake, what would you do? I want to know what you do if I cheat on you. Nothing deliberate though. Okay, let me start with Jesse.
Personally, if you're my girlfriend and you cheat on me, just know that for the next 2 weeks, you're going to do like whatever I tell you to do. You're literally taking me out on dates. You're going to leave me out to if I want a massage, you're giving me a massage. Like, if I love you, I don't see why I should leave you, but like, you suffer. Let me say the 2 weeks, you won't suffer per se, but yeah, you should get ready for the consequences. So if you're cheating on me, just keep that at the back of your mind. That's basically it.
I won't cheat on you though, but then I'm just asking. Anything can happen. Anthony.
Yeah, about cheating on me, I honestly don't think you would, but if you should, speaking honestly, I'll be very angry. I would, because cheating will make me feel like I wasn't adequate. So I begin to wonder if I'm not doing well enough. So it brings me to questioning my own contributions to the relationship, if I'm that bad in terms of my input in the relationship. If I feel like, or if I honestly come to that conversation that, okay, I was the one not doing good enough, then I'll have to change my approach to things to ensure that I do better so we can stand back together. But if it were the case where there is no reason to, then it would depend on how far we've gone in the relationship.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Anthony. Leslie.
I would be angry if you cheated on me unintentionally.
Okay.
And would have to take a break.
Now, Donald.
Yeah.
I know a lot of boys will say if you cheat on me, meaning I was a problem and I'll do better. Maybe I'm not doing better. I don't care if you cheat. Go, I'm going my way to go. I love cast. Relationship or cast. Because I wouldn't expect you to cheat on me. If you cheat, I'll go your way, let me go my way.
Your last question.
Does any of you have an insurance? An investment, I mean. Yeah.
Starting with Donald.
No, please.
Okay.
No? Very honest again.
It's not a problem though, I just want to know. So Anthony, do you?
Yeah, it's sort of a partnership with my brother. I contribute to his transport business. So when he's adding a new vehicle to the fleet, I have to make sure I'm ready to make a contribution to it, so that when the revenues come, it's a share for us. So it's not something like mine. I mean, it's a partnership something.
Okay, understood.
I wouldn't recommend.
All right. Jesse.
Yeah, I do. I do have an investment with EcoBank. So
Okay.
every month, I remove parts of the money and make what I get and put it inside every month.
Okay.
Sweet.
Thank you. Leslie.
Please, I do not have.
Are you satisfied with your 5 questions? You like the responses you got?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready to make a choice? Is it too sudden for you? But you have to make a choice.
Yeah. I have 2 people in mind, but then other 2 people, they have something that doesn't really sit well with me.
Okay, so you have 2 people you want to shortlist.
Yes.
Let's take a wild guess. Should we take a wild guess?
Okay.
I think we all know where we are going. So who are these 2 people? Jesse is one of them.
Jesse's one of them.
Jesse's one of them, isn't he? Jesse is one
Yes.
of them. He's I don't want to call him a spin doctor, but he's got some words.
Yeah, Jesse's one of them.
And who's the second person you're shortlisting?
Kujo.
Leslie.
Yeah.
Wow. Leslie and Jesse shortlisted. So Anthony and Donald. So between Jesse and Leslie, their names rhyme too.
Yeah.
Jesse, Leslie, Jesse, Leslie. Okay, so I'm going to give you the chance to ask them one question to see if it can break that tie in your heart and mind. Do you have anything in mind? You remember their description physically?
Okay,
you said,
yeah, I have something in mind.
Beautiful.
What happened to your previous relationship? How did it end? I'll start with Jesse.
My previous relationship,
Yeah.
I ended it. I won't lie to you, because I wasn't really okay. So we realized that there were lots of things that we didn't get, like people didn't understand, and she was saying she was like really like she's not down for a lot of things, and I was also not down for a lot of things. So I didn't see the reason why we should continue if we went down for what we both thought at first we both liked, but no longer. But we realized that we both didn't actually like it. Like maybe I liked it, she didn't like it. She liked it, I didn't like it. And we realized that there are a lot of things about each other too that we didn't like. So
Okay.
so yeah, I had to take a bit.
Okay. Sure. Thank you. Leslie.
Relationship. My last relationship. Well, truthfully, I haven't been in a relationship. I have not met that person who would pull me into one. I'll say I've been a bachelor, free ranger.
Okay.
So Leslie and Jesse, who is it going to be? Drum roll.
I'll choose Kujo.
Very interesting. Unexpected.
Well, can I give my reason for not choosing Jesse?
Tell me.
Okay, about the friends part. I really feel like friends are very like serious influence when it comes to relationships. So he having a lot of friends and moving with friends, I don't see myself to be a focus when it comes to the relationship.
So you want to be the focus of the relationship?
70%.
So that was quite unexpected. And well, you can be very expectant when it comes to women. You can't tell. But Leslie, we'll unveil the other gentleman after the break. Leslie, what do you have to say?
Surprised and shocked, but happy.
Your very, very first. This could be your very first relationship, by the way. Congratulations, and we'll speak with you later. But when we return from the break, we'll unveil the gentleman that Mimi did not choose. And welcome back to MX24, where we are finding love in the month of love. This program is proudly sponsored by Accra City Hotel, Cocoa Processing Company, Papa's Pizza, Doman Foods, City Cab. They will be chauffeuring our couple to the Accra City Hotel to have the time of their lives. And Senam's Beauty Parlor. Before the break, Mimi chose Leslie to be her ideal date on February 14. Now we want to go back to the other gentleman she did not choose, as they unveil themselves. Are you ready, Mimi?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's see the very fine brown eyes gentleman that you did not choose. Donald Asamoah, can we see you? Anthony, can we see you? And Jesse, can we see you? There is Anthony, the to-be lawyer. Donald, footballer, there he is. Nice. And then Jesse. There Jesse is. Wow. Gentlemen, quick reactions. How do you feel about her choice? Let's start with Julius. Anthony, unmute yourself and tell us how you feel. Anthony.
Yeah, I'm very happy for her, and I'm glad she made a choice that she believes suits her. Yeah.
So Jesse, let's come to you. You were shortlisted, like I said, and she says she doesn't like the whole friend thing going on with you. Is this something that you're looking to change in case you find somebody else who may not like it, or you're just going to be you?
Oh, if I'm going to change the friend thing, I can't really, I won't really change it, because if I have a personal kind of business and it's mostly me and my friends, so if she doesn't like money, I don't think.
Oh, so you're with your friends because of money, because it's business?
You don't only make money with
Yeah,
friends.
it's a business.
Okay, Donald. We'll be seeing you with Rashford and Walcott and all these guys in the next 4 years. Hopefully not with Mimi, of course. She has made her choice. But how do you feel about it?
Oh, I feel great that she made a decision, and I respect every decision she.
Beautiful. Maybe, is there anything you want to say to these gentlemen?
Thank you.
Well, gentlemen, she says thank you, and we also at MX24 would like to thank you so much for being a part of our blind date. We hope you find love soon, very soon, and wish you all the best. Right, Mimi, so let's wrap with you.
Okay.
What are your expectations come February 14?
I'm really expecting to meet a very decent gentleman.
Decent gentleman.
Yes.
Well, congratulations to you, and we wish you all the best come February 14.
Thank
We'd like
you.
to know what happens after your date. You share with us, won't you?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Well,
you.
viewers, that's just about it. This has been Love Nest. It's the month of love, and MX24, as we always do, fun, factual content. Remember, this program is sponsored by Accra City Hotel that will be providing the venue for our couple to have their blind date. Also, Cocoa Processing Company will be giving all our participants some very nice hampers as well as some chocolate products. City Cab will be chauffeuring our couples to Accra City Hotel. Senam's Beauty Parlor will be grooming them with some nice wigs and some nice shavings. And then also Papa's Pizza and Doman food. So we'll be providing them with some food. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We'll be bringing you more updates on Love Nest. My name is Godwin Nambo.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind.
Where are you coming from?
School.
School? What school?
Central.
Central?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How many minutes did it take?
About 2 hours.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying you know how to sing.
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'd like to hear you sing.
Right now?
Yeah, like just something short.
What song do you want me to sing for you?
Your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Well, If the World Was Ending.
Bye.
But I don't really remember.
Okay, just give me something small.
Okay, so if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you stay the night.
Thank you.
How
Can I give you a
How are you?
I'm with you.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sure.
We'll call you.
It took so long. What
Sorry.
happened?
It wasn't my fault, traffic.
Really? Where are you coming from?
Teshnova.
Is that where you were staying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you stay?
Ashoman Estate, but then right now I'm on campus.
Oh, yeah, level 1.
Yeah.
Level 300, right?
400.
400, wow.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food?
Yes.
I like plantain and beans. How about you?
Fried rice.
Nah, fried rice is okay, but I prefer plantain and beans.
Okay, like you're not bad at all. Like, do you know, I was really not expecting this. I was expecting someone lesser than this, but you're actually really cute.
Thank you very much. So what course do you offer?
Marketing and psychology.
Hey, business woman.
How about you?
Computer science.
Computer science.
Yeah, I told you that I wanted to be self-employed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I wanted to go into web development.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It has really been fun, exciting, getting to interact with someone like her, given the opportunity, and I think that I would like to do it again.
Oh, he actually entered. I was really surprised when he came in. I didn't expect the whole balloon stuff, but upon our conversation, I got to know he was younger than me, and that really blew me off. I'm a bit disappointed, but aside that, his vibe is really cool. I really like his personality, and I'm sure we'll get along as friends.
I don't think we'll have a date like this, so exclusive, so formal. But I think we have the vibe to get another date, that next Netflix and chill vibe. So, anything.
And when she entered, I just felt like I made the right choice. I felt happy. Like I was like, I'm proud of myself for making this choice. Like I felt happy. I don't regret anything. Like I'm so happy I made that choice. Very happy.
Oh my God, I'm finally meeting Salim, and then I'm so happy to talk to him, to get to know him. There was connection, the vibe was there, communication was perfect. And then I mean, if you should ask me out right now, I would definitely say yes.
I'd like to say a big thank you to MX24 and Loveness for giving me this opportunity to meet this wonderful girl, Lena. Like, without you guys, this couldn't have happened. I'd really like to say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to make you guys happy. Like, maybe next time, Lena and I will be dating, we never know.
Thank you MX24 for connecting me to Mimi. It has really been a great experience. And I hope that if we go on another date, you guys are willing to, sponsor us.